Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Food and Lifestyle with Ugochy. The recipe for today is banana pancakes with chocolate chips. This is an easy and yummy recipe. You can find the ingredients on the description box and on your screen. In a bowl, cut the bananas into smaller sizes that will be easy for you to mash with a fork. I would encourage that you make use of very ripe bananas. You can use a blender to do this. However, I made use of a fork and then a whisk because I wanted that roughness in the pancakes. Begin to mash the bananas with a fork. When mashed, you'd proceed to using a whisker to complete the process. When that is done, you'll pour in the eggs. I'm sorry for not showing that clip. I actually thought I recorded that aspect. Next, you will go in with the milk, then stir to combine. Add the melted butter and whisk to combine. After that, you go in with the brown sugar and then you stir to combine. Gradually add the flour and combine properly. I added 2 cups first, after which I gave a very good whisk before I went in with the 3rd cup. And then I kept on giving it a good stir. And after that, I added a little bit of water. You might want to skip this part. You might add a little bit, you might not want to add a little bit. So it depends on the consistency of your batter. If the batter is consistent enough, you don't need to add water. If it is not, if you feel like it's too thick, then you can add a little bit of water. When you can see that your batter is this way, you can see that it's not too smooth. This is how I wanted it. You go in with your chocolate chips and then you stir to combine and set the batter aside. In a heated pan, pour in the batter. When it's showing bubbles on the top, flip to the other side and allow to cook for about 2 minutes. After that, you take it out and put it in a plate. Continue the process until you are done with all the batter. Point to note: it is important that you do not have to grease your pan with oil or with butter. This is because we have already added melted butter to our batter. Having that in the batter, you need not to worry about greasing the pan. All you need to do is to keep frying until you are done with all of the pancake mix. This is a lovely recipe and it's one that kids would actually love. I hope you're going to be trying it out, and I hope that you might want to do something different from the usual. Whatever it is you want to do is perfectly fine. However you'd like yours, you might want to take out some things and you might want to add some things. And you know that when your kids have this, they would ask for more. So be prepared because it is a must try. It's a must try. As always, I am grateful that you're here to watch this recipe. Thank you for coming, and do well to like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll be bringing you more lovely recipes in our next video. Bye bye.